Hi everyone, it's Miss Caity again, and Logan and Rochelle, and today we're going to make Play-Doh. All of the ingredients are already in the bowl, but we use 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, a cup of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, and some food coloring. So I'm going to have them mix it up. This does get really messy, so let's roll up our sleeves.
All right.
You already did. All right, go ahead, buddy.
It's already up.
Oh, and you use 1 cup of warm water. Just make sure it's not too hot, because they will be mixing it up with your hands. All right, let's get it going, guys. You might have to add more flour, just depending on the consistency of it. Here, Lo, I'm gonna help you out, okay?
That's messy.
Yeah, super. Okay, can I get in here for a second?
I'm getting you messy.
So super messy. All right, so it looks like he might need a little more flour. Ew. Rochelle, do you need more flour?
Yeah.
Okay, excuse me.
You're like, excuse me.
All right, let's see if that does it. And then once it gets to, we're gonna bring it out. All right, Lo, can you move the bowl out of the way? Other way. Thank you. Now we just play with it. I'm gonna let Logan take over, and it'll start forming into Play-Doh. Go ahead, buddy.
Yeah, I'm taking it up. My
This
hands
is
are
great for fine motor.
My hands are kind of getting
It
clean.
also, if you bring out some tools, like anything around your house, you can use forks, spoons, whatever you want to mix it in. And then play with that once the Play-Doh is made. Oh boy.
I want to pick it up. Yee.
All
Can I
right.
take mine out?
And that is how you make Play-Doh.
I'm picking it up. I made Play-Doh.